Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can download your Coinme app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Play Store, and in your Play Store search bar simply type in Coinme app. Once you do this, you can see that Coinme app is not available in your region. So now simply go to your Google browser and type in the URL www.apkcombo.com/coinme. Once you do this, you will end up in this page where you can download the APK version of Coinme app. Once you are here, all you need to do is simply tap on the download like option beside the Coinme. Once you do this, you need to tap on download anyway, and after you do so, your Coinme app will get to download in your Android device. Once the download process is over, you can press on the open option and press the install button. So once the installing is done as well, you can simply tap on the open option and your Coinme app will get successfully downloaded in your Android device. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.